Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and I'm here with my lovely friend Sue Stoneman, and today we're going to be cooking some Flowerpot Focaccia, I believe.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, excited to have Sue here again for some lovely recipes. She's a really good friend and an absolute star, and the baking queen of barbecue for sure. Yeah, really excited to have you here, Sue.
Well, thanks for inviting me, Marcus. Before I came away, I've done the first proof of the bread.
Yeah.
500 grams of strong white flour. I've actually chopped some rosemary in with the dough to get some extra flavour in.
Lovely.
Bit of salt, 3 tablespoons of rapeseed oil, and some warm water and some yeast. Yeah. So with focaccia, you have to be careful. You don't want to knock it back after its first proof.
No.
And normally, if you were baking it in a tin or just loose on the tin, you would just really just tip it out like that. But we're going to use these plant pots just to make things a bit different. So we're going to grease these.
So clean terracotta pots, not from
not that has your herbs
begonias in.
No.
This is something I've wanted to do for a while now, so I'm going to be going straight out and getting a few plant pots.
Right,
you've inspired me, Sue.
Okay. So yeah, so grease the insides. Because what you do with terracotta, you don't want to soak it with water. Never try and wash them. Just wipe off any baked on bits and pieces. So give them a nice coating of oil inside, because you don't want the bread to stick. Ideally, you want it to come out like a little cake.
A little pop out.
Yeah, that's the idea.
So these have been proving what, an hour now?
Yes, yeah, and obviously the temperature's a little bit cold,
It's
so
a bit chilly,
it's taken
isn't it?
a little bit longer, but I think they're ready to
Oh yeah, they've puffed up nice.
Okay, yeah, that's wonderful. So right, we just want to make a few indentations with your little finger.
Just little dabs on the top. Oh, you can feel that's lovely and fluffed up.
Because obviously you want these little pockets for the oil to sit in.
These look fantastic.
They've turned out really quite well, haven't they?
Puffed up lovely.
They've got a lovely colour on.
Yeah, nice even heat in that wood-fired oven. It's,
really good. Let's turn one out and
see how we've done.
See. Oh, okay.
We've got a lovely colour on top. Oh wow.
Right, should we just
break
it open?
And have a, that's beautiful.
Oh, you can really smell the rosemary.
Oh yeah, rosemary through it. It's amazing. Perfectly cooked. Nice even cooking in here as well. Nice. It's lovely. Let's have a. It's nice with that salty rosemary.
It's my favourite focaccia to make. Just rosemary and sea salt.
Me too.
It's amazing.
I love that. Nice fun presentation as well. I'm going to definitely do this with my kids, I think. So yeah, winner. Oh, bless you. Thank you. It's wonderful recipe. Sue, thank you so much, and thanks for coming to CountryWoodSmoke HQ
Thanks
today.
for having me.
Hope you've enjoyed it, and hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's been great having Sue here, and some wonderful couple of recipes we cooked today. So fantastic. Thank you. That button down there next to Sue. Subscribe, comment, and let me know you like my videos. Cheers.